Dzień dobry. Jeżeli jesteś developer w Polsce, you might need to have these templates that I'm going to show you. Okay, so I will do this video in English. Maybe I'll do it in Polish also. I'm not sure. So over the last 2 years, as you know, I've been doing development, let's say land development projects in Poland, and my friends told me that the sheets that I made are nice and useful, so I'm going to share it with you guys today. Okay, so why are these useful? Because I'm organizing all the details and I'm giving you basically all the templates you need to analyze if a land is worth investing in. Okay, so let's get to this. As you can see here, we have this sheet right here, and here in the yellow cells you can go and edit. Yeah, so in these cells you make the edits, in the other cells you don't make any edits. So if the land costs 850,000, you just put 850,000, and as you can see the ROI changes. Yeah, and anything over 30% is basically good, and anything over 40% is going to be green. Okay, and if you want to edit those, you actually go here, you go to conditional formatting. Wait, I can't see it, so maybe here, conditional formatting, and then you can change from which percentage to which percentage you want to do that. Okay, so in this sheet basically you get a quick overview of how much it costs for you to build that land and if it's going to be profitable. As you can see, you're going to put the land price and then how big it is, then you get the price per meter, you get the sellable area, which is in square meters, and then the price per PUM. And the PUM is important here because here is PUM calculated. Okay, so you have to go with your architect and analyze and see how many PUM can you get. Okay, so if you can get 4 apartments at 100 or 50 meters each, then your PUM is going to be 200. Yeah, and then yes, let's say in Warsaw you're going to sell it at 14,000. I think now it's closer to 16,000. Yeah, then you get a sales price, but then 8% of that goes away as VAT. So you have a brutto sales price, which is what the client pays, and you have the netto, which you receive, which is the 8% difference. Yeah, and then your total is basically taking the square meters times the square meter price, or just let's say this netto price times how many apartments you're selling. Okay, and then you change the cost for the building. Basically your variables to play with is the cost you build and the cost you can sell and the cost you buy the land for. That's basically it. That's the game. So what are you going to do now? Now you have the ROI, you have your profit, you can go ahead and make a decision and see if it's worth it for you. I actually do have a few other sheets here. So one of it is for calculating the bio areas, one of it is calculating like looking at let's say when you put announcements and you want to see if something is actually sellable. I'll share with you exactly how to measure those data. So let me know if you guys enjoy this video and subscribe. Go to my Warsaw Real Estate Investing Facebook group, and I'll share this with you guys in the description. So have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.